chicken breast, asparagus, and potatoes. All will be cooked at the same time, at the same temperature, with the same spices. So let's go. So we're gonna cook our trays on an open face. And I have a little trick that you do with the stove is the oven. You fill water on the bottom, so actually it's never dry, the atmosphere inside the oven. Back to our app, and it tells you estimating cook time is connected via Bluetooth. So asparagus is on the tray. And you put them in for the remaining 20 minutes that's left. Let's take a look at the chicken. Here what's going on. This chicken is coming out beautifully. And as you can see, elapsed time we tap here, 13 minutes left on the chicken breast. By the time the asparagus is done, chicken will be done as well. Time to plate what we made. Go ahead. And I made a little cheesy sauce with some heavy cream and some Parmesan cheese. We'll just drizzle it on top. Right on top of the chicken. Right on top of the Hassel potatoes. And there's your plate. Bon appetit.